What have you on my life?
I think this is too hot. Is that hot? Was it hot?
The broth wasn't.
Let's see. Yeah, that was actually hot. So we are in, what is this place called? We don't even know, right? We are in this place. Is this Dia Chi? Maybe, or something like that. That's it in Vietnamese, which we can't read. I guess it might be Vietnamese because it's a Japanese place, so I'm not sure what the language is.
I can read it.
Whatever. So the menu does have English though. This is pork and kimchi, 145,000. How much is that? 100. 200. $200,000 was $8. No, $200 was $8. So that's how $200,000 was $8 to come from the airport. So $100,000 must be about $5, $6. Yeah, $145. Yeah, so 4 plus 2 more, 6. Yeah, I thought you said like 14 or something. No, I said like $7, $8. Oh, $7, $8. Yeah, but I'm saying 200 was $8. So it was a little bit over $8. Anyway, so this is what that looks like. So we looked at these ramen and not even really sure what the difference is between these bowls. But the waitress did say that these are, she said this was chicken, she said this was chicken, but this is, it's a pork right here, so maybe you can add pork to that, I'm not really sure. But we ended up getting this one, and then I got the one that says all. So my understanding is it includes all the toppings, because when I said I want butter, she was like, oh, we got all. So I guess that includes all the toppings. And this one, I guess, doesn't have a soup with it. So it has all the stuff in it, and maybe these are some of the broths or something on the side. There's the toppings or something, I'm not sure. And so this is a lemon soda with a lime in it. I got Pepsi, so let's see how that tastes. What did it taste like? What did it taste like?
It's like somebody put too much country time in the kitchen.
Oh, it's too sweet. And then the ramen. On this page, they also have stir-fried meat with vegetable ramen. I thought about getting that. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. That's extra sweet. Extra sweet. So I don't do a whole lot of spice, so I wasn't getting that. But that extra spicy ramen. Tantan noodle might be like Chinese dandan noodles, which is like with the hot oil and spices at the bottom with the ground pork, I think, and then noodles. And then here's all the toppings. And I like all these toppings. I think all of these come in my soup. I hope so. Yeah, that's what I said, like Dia Chi or something, I think is the name. So the special dishes. And looks like appetizers. We did get this century egg, so we'll see how that is. Thank you. Thank you. Our food just came. Looks delicious. Hope it tastes delicious. And so this is, I guess they call it 1,000-year-old egg, right? Or something like that. Yeah. So we're gonna taste that in a minute. The menu is a century-year-old egg. It's 55,000. Dumplings, and so they have a good variety of stuff here. We're looking for food for forever, so I'm glad we saw this was open. Yeah, that's the egg. I had asked, was that rice? She said, yeah, but obviously this is onions and maybe a tofu underneath. Yeah, this place got a lot of stuff, so I would probably come back and try as long as the food tastes good. So let's see. Where you got those chopsticks? Yeah, I have some chives in mine. Thank you. Thank you, kind sir. Oh God, I hope this tastes okay. Do you taste any yet?
Huh?
Do you taste any yet?
No, I thought you wanted to taste it first. You want me to taste it first?
Yeah, you taste it first. So I can get you tasting it. I'll taste it first, and you just gotta record me.
I'll taste it. So it's this part right here.
Yeah, the egg is like the black part. Like these ones, that's the eggs.
Ready?
Yeah. Your face gotta look like that. Let's just try it. What it tastes like?
Hey, deviled egg.
Okay, alright, okay.
I'll have more.
Okay. Like a deviled egg?
Yeah. A good deviled egg too.
Okay. Alright.
Check up on me in an hour when my stomach says. Deviled egg, right?
Yeah, actually. Tofu?
I don't taste
This is
that.
tofu. Yeah, not bad. Try this piece.
So are you going home? You're go back over tomorrow.
Yeah,
Wait for some more
not bad. Okay, so we tried it. It actually wasn't that bad. It actually do taste like deviled eggs.
Thought I was lying to you?
I don't know.
I said they got one in Arizona, they can make one here.
Try this. This is pretty good. Yeah, I really like it. It's
Got the butter.
good. Try some.
Got the butter.
I'll try some noodles.
You heard me?
Yeah, I heard you. Extra tab of butter.
Broth so good. What avignon on my life?
I think this is too hot. Was it hot?
The broth wasn't.
See. Yeah, that was actually hot.
I just got a fork full of bean sprouts, but they was noodles.
That's why your stuff wasn't hot. Let's try that. Our pork is really good. I just tasted some fat though.
Oh yeah, it's hot.
It's hot.
Right there, man.
In there. In that basket. Oh, this is really good. It's really flavorful. The noodles are like really tender. maybe like kind of al dente a little bit. I don't usually like al dente noodles, but these are good. It's way too hot, so I'm about to go back to this egg. Try some of this.
Oh, it's good with the onions.
I'll try some of these onions. Okay, so they had 1,000-year-old eggs at home in the international grocery store. I would try these again because it do taste like deviled eggs. Yeah, it tastes like creamy like a deviled egg. It doesn't have bad smell or flavor or anything like that. And I think this is tofu, I think. I don't usually eat tofu, but it doesn't have any flavor, so it's good.
Yeah. Wash your day-ho.
Yeah,
Without
so
even aiming.
this is really hot, but it's really good. Got some corn. Even though they got I think they have some air conditioner maybe, or a fan, but it's still hot. It's still hot here, and we eating hot soup. It's definitely good though. Like this broth. It's really rich and nice and creamy. You can tell, I guess, that they use maybe like some pork bones or something. Get that egg out of here. And they gave us, I think I asked for extra noodles, so maybe that's why there's so many noodles. But I think I did. Yeah, but you told me about the extra noodles and I pointed to them and I think she said okay, she wrote some down, so I think she gave me extra.
I don't know, I gotta try the noodles too.
Did you order some?
Nope.
Maybe she didn't, but I feel like I got a ton.
That's how they come.
Oh, there's also the egg,
Noodles is like a nickel.
which broke. I don't like no soft boiled egg like that, but in ramen I'll eat it up.
Okay, give it to me.
I like eating all the parts of my ramen.
Where the other piece at?
Get out of my bowl.
You don't even want it.
Let them know, man.
Can enjoy my ramen in peace. So we'll keep eating and then we let you guys know how we liked it. Hey guys, thanks for watching and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons.